Hello again and again. This is GTKTTYTV, and now I'm going to tell you about wireline VPN, unlimited free internet, how to do it, how this free internet works. Watch this video until the end. If you come to Play Store and press in search tab and search wireline, we shall be given wireline VPN, which is contains AdSense. We are going to open. If you don't have this application, you can download it, but I already have it, so there is no need to download. Open this application and they will take you here. You are going to click on the server list. There's different server list, USA 1, USA 2, but I'd like to use USA number 4. It is my favorite server. This is still wireline. Wait and see how I'm going to use the free internet. Just click not connected. If you click not connected, it will be processing and they will give you the time of free internet, but you can also add the time. You see, I'm using free internet now. Look at on the top of my phone. There is a free internet signal. You can add time for continuing using free internet. You will add the time by watching a video. AdSense, as I told you before, this application contains AdSense. If you watch that video or those video, you will add your time. I'm going to disconnect. Okay, not connected. So now I'm using my own bundles. So if you come to here to Play Store and look reviews, many people, about 32,000 people commented on this. Wireline is what it does. It's the best. I haven't seen any competitor. The only challenge I found is that you can download YouTube videos and so on. It works, but sometimes it's slow. But there is no problem.